Namaste. I'm Dr. GSK Jyoti Reddy, Chief Fertility Consultant, Shaurya's Test Tube Baby Center, KPHP, Hyderabad. Today, let us talk about the pregnancy and fertility care during this COVID pandemic. All of us are aware of the present pandemic all over the world, but most of the people have doubts regarding the care to be taken during pregnancy or during fertility treatment during this pandemic. COVID is nothing but a respiratory infection caused by novel coronavirus, which is transmitted usually through aerosols or respiratory droplets generated by an infected person. In contrast to other flu like respiratory infections, this virus has high infectivity, which is the reason for its fast and massive spread all over the world. Children below 10 years, people with other comorbid health conditions like diabetes, hypertension, those on immunosuppressants, and elderly people are the at risk population. That is, these are the people who have more severe symptoms and complications compared to the general population. As pregnancy is also an immunocompromised state, pregnants should also be very careful till the pandemic is over. According to the global statistics, the infection rate and the complication rate in pregnancy is almost comparable to the general population. Until now, there is no evidence of any mother to baby transmission in utero. But some unforeseen complications like preterm labor, postpartum bleeding risk, and coagulation problems may arise in few people, which is the reason why such deliveries need to be undertaken in fully equipped tertiary care hospitals. As we do not know the after effects of this novel virus on the reproductive outcomes, that is, on the fetus or on the newborn or during pregnancy, now the reproductive guidelines are like to defer the pregnancy till the pandemic is over. That is, any new or fresh fertility treatments have to be deferred, be it IUI or IVF, till the pandemic subsides, or at least till the infection rate decreases. As all of us know, prevention is better than cure. As a precautionary measure, our central government has already implemented the lockdown in the very beginning itself, and that is the reason for better control of spread in our country compared to other nations. Some simple precautions and care will help us from not acquiring this deadly infection. So, what are they? Social distancing, which is of utmost importance. Staying home is the first measure to control the spread. Frequent hand washing up to the elbows with any soap, at least for 20 seconds, kills the virus. Use masks when stepping out of the home, and step out only if it is an emergency. Stay away from people with cold, cough, fever, or those with any travel history, or those who had any contact with infected persons. Avoid hospital visits for minor problems, and this is to avoid crowding and to maintain the social distancing. In case of any cold, cough, fever, or sore throat or body aches, consult nearby doctor to rule out COVID infection, and they will guide you. Increase your immunity by proper diet. Eat fresh home cooked food rich in vegetables and fruits. Maintain proper hydration. Immunity can be increased by regular physical exercises and yoga, those of which can be practiced safely during pregnancy. Lockdown means stay at home, and it doesn't mean be aloof from others. It means avoid social gatherings, but stay in touch with your near and dear ones through social media platforms. Call your near ones. Stay in touch with them through phone calls, mails, WhatsApp, which decreases your psychological burden. Practice yoga and meditation to keep you physically and mentally fit. If you're getting too much stressed out watching news or from the pandemic related articles in the social media, avoid them. Just see the headlines once or twice a day. Use the time effectively by restarting your forgotten hobbies, reading books, immune boosters like vitamins, especially vitamin C, D, zinc, can be taken with doctor's advice. Stay positive, stay home, stay safe, and make your pregnancy a pleasurable journey. Namaste.